Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: baby age, weight, and a 24-hour feeding baseline. Do this for 3 days to know patterns. Once done, set daytime bright, nighttime dark lighting, and start a wind-down ritual 30 minutes before desired sleep. Make sure to include feeding, diaper change, and a short, quiet cuddle. This signals sleep. Use a consistent sleep surface and swaddle or sleep sack appropriate to age. These first steps reduce confusion and prime circadian alignment. Now you build the schedule by matching wake windows to age-specific targets and recording nap lengths. Consistency matters. Once naps are regular, decide whether to use feed to sleep or to teach independent settling, and implement the chosen method gradually across several days. Make incremental bedtime shifts, move earlier by 15 to 30 minutes until you reach the target. Also, maintain identical pre-sleep routines day after day. This repetition teaches your newborn what comes next, and to finish, maintain those cues: lighting, white noise, and consistent feed times, and review progress each week to reinforce gains. If regressions happen, rule out illness, growth spurts, or teething, and look for environment changes like travel or daytime overstimulation. When sleep stalls, shorten naps slightly, return to the wind-down ritual, and reapply gentle settling steps. If problems persist beyond 2 weeks despite consistent effort, consult your pediatrician for tailored guidance and to exclude medical issues that can disrupt sleep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.